Hello everyone, apnyan sop kebi good evening. Our Samnaga News Day welcome Korea se. Aji Samnaga First News Day niga se Nagaland Assembly Canberra State laga climate change kandu address kori pole nimide. Aro local governance to enhance kori pole nimide. Duida nutun committee constitute korado janai dishe. Aro ko laga hisabde idu climate change laga committee Canberra government laga initiative kandu review kori pole ase. Aro sustainable agriculture, aro electric vehicle adoption kando promote kori pole ase. Aro urban local bodies, aro Nagaland Village Council laga committee Canberra. Idu grassroots level laga governance kan oporde focus kori pole ase. Aro taikan waste management, water supply, affordable housing, aro urban pollution idu kan nishna. Issue kando idu committee tuara address kori pole ase kuishe. Aro next day ase Manipur State laga National People's Party NPP unit laga president. Iam nam Joy Kumar Brakusheki, Kukizo laga communities, Kun Khan, Daikandu hile, India laga citizen hoi niga papna Korea se, aro India constitution laga, right to live idu follow no kore. Idu manu kandu hile, idu country charigina chahi palo po kuya se, aro Daikanaka original country, Myanmar de chagina settle korahi palo po kuya se. Aro Taibra Kusheki, Kunba Civil Social Organization, aro Kukizo laga manu kandu hile, idu Indian Constitution de taka, Article 19 do pisas nokore, aro idu porde against kori taka do chanai dishe. Aro next day ase, US laga immigration agent Canberra, agent Philistine laga activist kedu hile, arrest kori lishe goya se, gile gwile du manu bra, Israel laga against se protest kori pole, Columbia laga University kange, motot kori she goya se. Aro next day ase, Congress laga MP, Du Vijaya Singh Brakwa duile, Dai idu Gujarati camping kora samaide, Hindu manu Canberra, Dai ke idu RSS laga against de, kota nukori pole niga warning kandu di tagishe kuya se, Aro idu nimide, Dai takan ke against kori gina, kota kori pole paranai kuya se, Aro dai idu laga samaide duile, Madhya Pradesh laga Chief Minister tagishe kuya se. Aro next day ase, US laga President Donald Trump bra kushegi, Dai laga administration kan duile, idu Chinese Canberra pana, social media platform TikTok idu laga app duile, Dai kan pikai tipole nimide, alag-alag charter groups kan logode, kota kuri takado janai dishe, Aro dai kan sop laga option B palase niga kuishe. Aro next day ase, Reserve Bank of India laga, former Deputy Governor Viral Acharia bra kuishe, Idu Donald Trump bra, India laga product kan oporde, iniga tariff otai dia duile, India nimide, pal kobor nishna bi ase kuyase, gile gwile dukan dwara, India laga government ge, Idu trade restriction, aro motivation competition, aro growth idu kando namai dipole, push kori po kuyase, aro idu kande iklan hoi gina, idu dwara India bra, Idu ala countries kange compete kori pole para laga, standard do otai dipo kuyase. Aro Donald Trump bra India laga products kan oporde, tax do otai dipole announce kora pachode, India government bra, US kan naga imported goods nailebi, US kan naga saman oporde, Daikan tax lui taka duile, komti kori pole discuss kori taka do janai dishe. Aro next day ase, Canada laga Liberal Party Canberra, Canada laga Prime Minister Justin Gay replace kori gina, Mark Carney ke duile, Canada laga nutun Prime Minister hopole, elect korishe. Aro dai du election duile, 85.9% vote bra jidishe koyase. Aro du nutun Prime Minister bra kucheki, Canada duile, America laga nohoy, Aro kitiapi taikan, kilaga West bra huilebi, America laga hisa nohopo koyase. Aro US Canberra taikan laga resources, noilebi taikan laga country do, lopole munjai taka do janai dishe. Aro US laga president bra, Canada laga workers, families aro business kange, ete kora shuru huishe koyase. Holibi taikan US kange, jidi pole nitipo koyase. Aro Canada laga prime minister bra kuisheki, daige niga opportunity dishe kuile, India kan logode ki relation pia huigina se, idu kande restore kori pole, promise korishe. Aro next day ase, Mizoram State de taka, Baptist Church of Mizoram, PCM noilebi, Mizoram laga church Canberra, Daikan laga church member kange, idu Christianity laga fetu pacha pole nimide, idu married couple kange, pacha pishi lopole, urge korishe koyase, gile kuile, iniga Mizoram de, Mizo laga population kan decrease huigina chai taka do, Daikan witness koryase, Ari niga decrease huigina chai takishe kuile, future de Daikan ekdom problem face kori pole taka, Aro society ekla nohigina, state de taka churches aro religion kan opordebi, ekdom effect hopole taka do janai dishe. Aro next day ase, South Korea laga military Canberra kuishegi, aji North Korea Canberra, unidentified ballistic missile kan duile, pishi par fire korishe koyase. Aro next day ase women leader aro professional khan bra miligina idu Manipur de chai thaka challenges khan do address kori pole aro peace building nimide kotha kori thaka do janai dishe. Aro idu laga discussion de tai khan peace building nimide civil society laga ki role ase idu khan opor de tai khan focus kori kina discuss kori ase kuishe. Aro next day ase report pa laga hisab de Russia khan bra Moscow laga MPC duজন British official ke duhile spy kora laga allegation de bra expel kori dishe koi ase. Aro Russia laga Federal Security Service khan bra kola ka hisab de idu dujon manu bra idu country de enter kori pole permission lo samai de misa mishi laga personal data nailebi fake documents khan do tigina enter kori she koi ase. Aro tai khan tate kam kori thaka do janai dishe. Russia laga foreign ministry bra kuishe ki tai khan Russia laga territory de undeclared British intelligence officer khan laga activities khan do tolerate nokori po koi ase. Aro report pa laga hisab de southern Russia de thaka Twitter region laga authorities khan bra idu Telegram messenger app to hile idu manu khan bra hack kori pole phoi khai kina already block kori dishe koi ase. Aro idu Twitter region de thaka bishibak to hile Muslim manu khan ase kuishe. Aro next day ase Greenland laga Prime Minister bra kuishe ki US President Donald Trump to hile idu Greenland laga manu khan ge respect bra treat nokore koi ase. Aro ta laga behavior pia hua nimide idu Greenland laga manu khan bra idu US khan logote mili pole idu US khan logote mili kena thaki pole ekdom mun nai koi ase. Aro US President Donald Trump bra tai khan ge respect bra treat kore pole tai khan to deserve kore koi ase. Halibi Donald Trump bra to hile tai idu election jiti kina itia tak pi tai khan ge respect dia nai koi ase. Greenland naga Prime Minister bra kuishe ki Greenland naga population to hile kali 57,000 manu hi ase aro idu mati do tai khan laga ase kuishe. Aro tai khan laga future do Donald Trump bra nohoi halibi tai khan nijor bra hi decide kori po koi ase. Aro next day ase report pa laga hisab de aji phopal de idu Congress laga group khan bra idu state government laga anti-farmer laga policies to against kori kina nailebi oppose kori kina protest khan to organize kori she koi ase aro idu laga protest kori thaka samai de idu tai khan protest kori thaka laga stage to bhangi kina at least Sajjo National Congress Party laga leaders khan do joko muishe koi ase aro inika incident hua pacho debi tai khan narukhi kina protest kori she koi ase aro tai khan assembly laga rasta fane inika protest kori kina chai thaka samai de police khan bra pani laga cannon khan do cholai kina idu protest kori thaka group khan ge disperse kori dishe koi ase nailebi khetai dishe koi ase. Aji sam laga news to man taki ase aro last ta kuni dia bra bishi thanks janai di ase.